Okay guys, on 14th of August 2022, now we have a big mature plant of kalanchoe miloti or millot kalanchoe. You can see that it is like around 3 years old mature plant, and now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. Its media is very much like consist of sand, okay, with around like 30 to 40% simple garden soil. Now we have taken one of our cuttings, okay, with the help of forceps and scissor we are just take the cuttings, okay. Now this is our third cutting. You can see that we are just taking small cuttings. Okay, now this is our fourth cutting. Okay, scissor is not so much sharp, so we are getting a little bit difficulty. So there are like 4 cuttings, and it is fifth cutting, sixth cutting. We have taken our 7th one. One more thing, that it can be propagated with the help of leaves, okay. Okay, now we are removing the lower leaves. Why it is so? Because of the fact that because this part is under the soil, and when a leaf used to touch the soil, it produces a lot of fungal rot and infection. So better is to first remove the lower end leaves, okay. So we are removing, and we will also try to propagate the plants from these leaves, okay. Okay, now we are just removing the leaves like this. Okay, this and this, okay. Now we have to leave these cuttings within the shade, okay, for about 2 to 3 days. After 3 days, that is on 17th of August 2022, now our cuttings have a little bit healing, like their wounds are a bit healed, okay. Now we can, although you can put directly, but the tendency of rot is a bit greater in that case. We also have taken the media, and you can see that our media consists of 50% construction sand and 50% simple garden soil. We have also taken 4 of our glasses. Temperature is 25.5 degrees Celsius today. Okay, now we need to mix the media, okay. You can see that our media consists of 50-50% ratio of sand and soil, and now we need to mix it. And one more thing, that we are using sand, although sand is having nothing, okay. Sand is not having any sort of nutrients, but why we are using it? Because of the fact that sand helps in the faster drainage of the pot. Means that if it is just soil, maybe the water used to sit in the soil, and it can cause then fungal rot, okay. So better is to mix sand so that the pot has a better drainage. Okay, now we will mix it out so that we got an even proportion of both the things, that is sand and soil. Okay, now our media is totally mixed up. Okay, now we will put this media inside the pots. These are our pots with drainage holes at the bottom, because these are the succulent plants, and if succulent plants don't have better drainage, they are having a little bit more tendency towards rot. Okay, so better is to mix sand and pumice and gravel and all these things. Okay, although kalanchoe miloti seems to be a bit like hardiest compared to other succulents. Not kalanchoe miloti, I think all the kalanchoes used to have a better water logging response as compared to the crassula family. Okay. Okay, now we will level the media, because it is very necessary, because we are going to put our plants inside this media, so it is very necessary to level it out. And this leveling also eliminates the air pockets which are inside the media. Now we are putting our plants inside this media. Although better thing is to like pour some water, okay, and then start leveling, but it's okay because our media is a little bit wet, so we are just putting our plants inside it. They can even survive in air like for about 1 week or more. So now we will keep them in shade, and we will also plant the other cuttings inside other glasses. Okay, on 8th of September 2022. Okay, now you can see that 2 of the glasses are different and 2 of the glasses are from the previous video. And one more thing, that because I used to like take all the cuttings from the big mother plant, okay, and I used to plant them in different type of glasses. The total cuttings are around 20 or 25. So now we will see the results. Now, okay, now we will, okay, maybe this is not from like previous video, I'm not sure, because there is just one root. Okay, you can see that there is just one root. Okay, now we will take this plant out, and this is having a good root ball, means that how big roots they have. Okay, now you can see that these are the results, a lot of good rooting. And now we will go for the last one. It is also having a lot of good roots. So our propagation is around like 100% successful, because not even a single plant is dead or like some rotted. Okay, so we can say that we got 100% some of the plants I have given it to the audience and some friends. Okay, so I just got four plants. Okay, so that's why I just showed these to you. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.